All right, so we're gonna take the rear shocks off. So we got two 18 millimeters here, and then on the top we got two 16 millimeters, and it's really nice. The nut is welded to the top up here, which is great. So we crack one loose already. We should be able to get a short extension up here with the impact and zip these things right off. So let's get going. And let's try and zip these top ones off now. We got one shock off. So we're gonna slip the rear shocks in, and we got our factory bolts that we're reusing. Of course, we never seized everything up. And let's see if we can get these holes to line up. I think I'm trying to thread one of my bolts in first. And then catch that on there. Yeah, that works. And then go up. Get my arms in here somehow. I think I'm gonna just get the extension. I got these two started. I'm gonna get the bolt on the bottom pushed in first. And we got the shock in here now. Line that up. Let's get the nut on it. These are 18s on the bottom and 16 on the top. You want to try and center these if you can. See how they're moving around a little? Get them so that they're kind of in the center, so you're grabbing about the same amount of meat on both sides. Let's snug these up and take a look and see. Yeah, there you go. And they're moving around a little bit. Okay. Probably doesn't matter, I just want them centered. Alright, so I tighten these 16s up. Never seized everything. Alright, bottoms are 18s. Okay. Alright, so we're going to pop the other shock in. That's pretty much rounds this thing up. We checked all our tire pressures and drove it down the road. It stays nice and straight.